Hello friends, I am Meenu and this is my brother Zuni. Today we are making very cute craft with these useless things. This beautiful air balloon we made with these useless things and the clay. It is a very fun activity. If you are a mother and watching this video, then must try it with your babies. It's a very fun activity. First we need clay dough, any color you have, but try if you have different colors. So we are making it with all the multicolors we have. First of all, we will take small portions of clay and make balls. Our balls are ready. So now we have to paste them on lid we already have shown. Our beautiful multicolored air balloon cap is ready, which is looking very cute. Now we will make the basket. Our basket is also complete. Now we have to assemble them. We will take two earbuds, place them like a handle on both of the sides. Place this cute toy in it. Is it looking cute? Is ready. I hope you like it. The main magic begins when we switched on the fairy lights. So let's see. If you like our video, like it, share and subscribe. Wait for our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.